How's it going, guys? Dustin here, aka CropDustin on TikTok and Instagram. Today we're going to be showing you part 2 of the over and under combo series. If you didn't watch it yet, go watch part 1 going over the under portion of this trick. This is specifically going to be for part 2, and then part 3 will be combining those two parts together into a fluid combo motion. So to get started with part 2, we're going to be starting with an inward figure 8 on your non-dominant hand. So you should be starting the motion of a shoulder roll over your shoulders before you release the star. Just like this. A prerequisite for this is kind of like around the world, reverse around the world, coming around, except you want to keep it closer to your shoulders and your neckline. So you're going to release it when it's behind your head to your outstretched dominant hand. Something to note with this trick, just like the first trick, is you want to hit this in 3 beats. So as soon as you're catching it from your under portion of the combo, you're going to hit a 1, 2, 3 to get it back to your dominant hand. So a couple things worth mentioning on this one, because we're trying to match the 3 beats from the under portion of the throw, you're going to be doing another kind of weird toss as it comes behind your head. So similar to how with the under move you're doing a thumb toss, you're going to also be doing a thumb toss behind your head. So when you hit that 3rd beat, it'll be 1, 2, and then as it's coming around, you'll be in this kind of position here with the back of your hand facing outward, and it'll flick it back to the other side of your body. Something to note about the catch is it's going to be pretty much the same as a normal shoulder roll going into a forward figure 8. So it'll be palm up, fingers outward, and then just continue on the forward figure 8. Yeah, that's good. Thank you so much for following along with this video. Don't forget to check out part 3 where we're combining the trick from part 1 and part 2 together into the full over and under combo. If you have any questions about this specific portion of the trick, don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, we'll do our best to answer them. Maybe we'll make a follow-up video. Thank you so much for coming along on this journey. We'll see you next time.